In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean your list on Klaviyo and save money on your Klaviyo bill. Keeping your list clean isn't just about organization, it's a strategic move to ensure you're not paying for contacts that don't provide value to your business. Since Klaviyo charges based on the total number of contacts in your account, it's vital to focus on those who are genuinely interested in your offerings. Let's dive in and see how you can streamline your list efficiently. First, you'll need to log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Audience tab in the side menu and select Lists and Segments. This is where you'll manage all your contacts and create new segments. Now we need to create a segment specifically for inactive subscribers. Click on Create New and then select Segment. This will help you filter out those who haven't engaged with your emails in quite some time. For the criteria of this segment, you'll want to specify that you're looking for subscribers who haven't clicked an email in the last 90, 120, or even 180 days. This time frame will allow you to focus on contacts who might be at risk of losing interest in your content. As you set up this segment, make sure to give it a clear name like inactive subscribers or unengaged contacts. This way it will be easy to identify later when you perform regular maintenance on your lists. With your segment created, the next important step is to decide what to do with these inactive contacts. Navigate to your newly created inactive segment. On the top right corner, you'll see the three dots or action button. Go ahead and click there. From the drop down, select Suppress Current Members. By suppressing these profiles, you ensure that they won't be counted against your subscriber limit, thus reducing your bill. It's worth noting that although these contacts are suppressed, their data remains available for reporting, enabling you to review their past interactions if needed. Before wrapping up, I'd like to share some bonus tips to help keep your list in top shape. Implementing a double opt-in process ensures that subscribers confirm their email, reducing fake or low quality signups. Moreover, it's a good practice to clean your list every 3 to 6 months, which keeps your contacts fresh and active. Additionally, be sure to monitor bounce rates. Removing hard bounces and spam complaints helps maintain a good sender reputation. Lastly, focus your campaigns on engaged users by segmenting them. Targeting active subscribers improves deliverability and engagement rates, ensuring your messages reach interested parties. By following these steps and tips, you'll not only keep your Klaviyo account running smoothly, but also maximize your marketing budget effectively. Happy cleaning, and see you in the next video.